Firouzja missed a really nice tactic which was pointed out by Tata Steel, winning on the spot immediately. It is using this battery, this diagonal, c2 to h7. Welcome to A Tactic a Day. This game is between Firouzja versus Artemiev. This game took place during Tata Steel. Black has just played king g8 and now queen h4 is a nice move. Threatening rook e8 check, also attacking the h5 pawn and stopping the black rook from moving. Black now plays queen d5 to defend h5, rook e8 check, rook f8. White now comes in with the queen to e7, nice move. White is winning here, but coming up will be a very nice tactic, knight d7 to protect. You can't take the rook because queen takes will be mate. After knight d7, Firouzja plays a brilliant backward move to utilize the bishop and the queen, because the bishop and queen provide a very attacking battery. The move is bishop c2, planning to go bishop b3, winning the queen. Queen takes d4, Artemiev gets out the way, and after rook takes f8 check, take, bishop b3 check, king, and then queen takes f8, white went on to win. However, in this position, Firouzja missed a really nice tactic which was pointed out by Tata Steel, winning on the spot immediately. It is using this battery, this diagonal, c2 to h7. Let's play the move. We want to have a look at the second move, which is the brilliant move, queen e6 check, forcing the king to go to h8, and now we use it. If we can put the queen on the same diagonal as the bishop to threaten checkmate, we're good. Pause the video if you want to have a go. Where to move the white queen? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the really cool move is queen f5, winning on the spot. If you play rook takes e8, queen h7 is mate. Black has to play g6 and white will now just take everything with rook takes f8 check, take, queen takes f8 check, winning. Here you don't want to be cheeky and play queen takes g6 because black all of a sudden has a threat, queen takes f2 check, getting a perpetual. But you just cash in, take the piece, and everything comes off. That is a nice variation Firouzja missed. However, going back to the game, let's just finish it off, just to see what happened. Take bishop b3 check, queen takes knight, queen takes b2 check, 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 bring it back, pieces coming off. Now we get this ending, and Firouzja went on to win. A piece up, he gets a pass pawn very soon. 3 versus 1 on the queen side for black, but the bishop stops them easily. g4, c4, g5, a3, bishop e2, a nice accurate move, freezing the pawns. If you move one of the pawns, then you just go back. If you go c3, you can just go back. You can't go b4 because you lose it. You just come back here. This guy goes anyway. So bishop e2, a nice accurate move to freeze the pawns. King f5, king up, king e4. Not even close this race, because after c3, bishop d1, stopping the pawn. White will run his pawn and get a queen. Check out the previous video here, which is between Janssen against Sokolov in the Netherlands Championships. If you enjoyed this short video, why not give it a like? Because it helps this video out in the YouTube algorithm. Also, consider subscribing and hitting that bell to get notified each time I release a new video.